Looking for a fast-charging, ultra-responsive stylus for your iPad? Meet the 2X Fast Charge Active Stylus Pen, designed for 2018 to 2025 Apple iPads. Take your creativity and productivity to the next level. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
We've got some exciting news coming in from the world of Bitcoin, folks. Bitcoin Bulletin has been tracking this market closely, and it's clear that something big is brewing. As we speak, Bitcoin is trading around $95,650, up a whopping 2% on the week. That's right, 2%. And we've got our very own DonAlt breaking down what's happening in just 4 words. We love to see it. That's right, folks, the sentiment among traders is palpable. Now, let's take a closer look at what's driving this momentum. Bitcoin broke out above that $90,787 level last week, putting bulls firmly back in the driver's seat. And we're seeing a clean push higher now, approaching the major resistance zone between $104,485 and $108,000. That's a significant level. Folks, it marked the top of Bitcoin's previous cycle, and it hasn't been tested since. But here's the thing. Bitcoin has respected that structure so far. The previous range highs have flipped into support, and price is marching higher with minimal drawdown. There's no parabolic move, no wild volatility, just steady directional pressure. That in itself is a strong signal, folks. Now, we're wondering whether this momentum will continue through the rest of the week. If the market closes near its current levels, that would be impressive indeed. But if it breaks above $104,000, well, that's when things get really interesting. We'd be putting Bitcoin back into uncharted territory with little in the way of resistance above. On the other hand, rejection at this zone wouldn't be surprising either. It is a logical place for profit-taking and for late longs to get punished if they're too aggressive. But here's the thing. Bitcoin isn't showing any signs of weakness right now. The trend is up, the structure is intact, and the market is leaning bullish into the weekend. So what does it all mean? Simply put, folks, we love to see it. DonAlt's sentiments are spot on. This is exactly what we've been expecting from Bitcoin. And if you're not paying attention, now's the time to do so. Stay tuned for more updates from Bitcoin Bulletin as this story continues to unfold.